Well, hi, everybody. Welcome to GW University Integrative Medicine, as well as GW Center of Integrative Medicine. I'm Dr. Kogan, Medical Director of the center, and today I have a pleasure of having our director of our program, Dr. Lee Frame, here with me. And Dr. Frame is a PI on the study that we're about to discuss. Really, the point of this video is to tell you what we're doing and also to see if that can help us to recruit patients faster. So Dr. Frame, welcome. And thank you so much for joining. I know you're very busy. We'll keep it brief. Tell us a little bit about this study.
Yeah, so I'm really excited about this study. We are looking at two different things, which we think are actually related. So the first thing is about mild cognitive impairment or dementia and certain risk factors that go along with it, or better yet, let's think of ways so we can prevent the progression or, I don't know, potentially even prevent the diseases from developing in the first place. And so a lot of that has to do with lifestyle, basic things about lifestyle, nutrition, physical activity, how many vegetables you eat, all that sort of thing. And we feel like that's the sort of thing that maybe people would be interested in changing if it could prevent dementia. So we're hoping this is a really very applicable area. Now, the second aspect we're looking at is the gut microbiome. So what is the gut microbiome? So it's the bugs that live inside our digestive tract, from our mouth all the way down, and actually even out, because when we collect the samples for this, we are collecting stool samples or what you would probably call poop. So we do have one ask for you, and that will be to take a sample of your poop, well, with a kit. It makes it really, really easy. You just attach the sling to the toilet, you take a little bit into a tube, and then you flush the rest down. So it's not a huge ask, but that is the ask because we think that your gut microbiome will help us figure out whether you have a higher risk for this disease and whether these lifestyle interventions might actually lower that risk.
Yeah, so we will be collecting stool tests before, as you said, but also we will suggest a diet change, maybe even adding probiotics, and then we'll assess the stool after to see how it's changed, as well as we're going to be assessing your cognitive function over a period of time.
Correct.
Great. Well, how can people learn more about this and get in touch with us and join the study?
Yeah, so you can go to my lab website, which we will put the chat in the
Of
show
course.
notes for you. And that has a little bit of information about the study, including the pamphlet, but most importantly, it has the contact information for our study coordinator. And you can reach out to him via email or phone, and he will get you the informed consent to review and then chat with you a little bit about your participation in the study.
And I just want to add a little bit. There's no payment for any other aspects. In fact, yeah, I think you actually have a little bit. You get a little honorarium, if I'm not mistaken, right? For your
Correct.
time.
There's no cost for participating in the research, but you do receive compensation for your time. It varies a little bit on based on the visit, but you can get up to 250 total for completion of the study. So that's a nice little thank you.
Right, right. And then of course, you get assessment of your stool test at no additional cost twice, plus a pretty close follow up with our team.
Correct.
I think that's pretty much it. I don't think we missed anything. We will make sure that all the links are in the description for the YouTube. And if you have any questions, you can still contact us at the links, and we'll be happy. Our team will be happy to reach out to you. And by the way, we are recruiting both patients who already have some cognitive impairment and also people who don't have any cognitive impairment because we need controls.
That's correct. And the other important thing is we are recruiting people who are 50 to 90 years old. So if you are in that band, we are looking for you because you could either be a healthy control or someone who is already starting to develop some of the signs of cognitive impairment.
Last but not least, do people have to live close to DC?
Yes, they do for this version of the study. But, the next version, once we get our grant funding, will hopefully be a larger group. So stay tuned for more on that.
And with that, let's end. Thank you very much, Dr. Frame. Your regular will have you back for something else soon enough. Everybody else have a safe, cool afternoon and wonderful weekend. Take care.